Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and we got another freebie for you. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got a bonus watch face we wanted you all to check out. It's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Now, the name of the watch face is called Samwatch Basic 8, and definitely it is basic, but it looks good. The layout, the info, everything is placed just nice. Now, what I like about it most is got a real big moon phase at the top. It gives you your date. To the left, it gives you your date on the right, and then of course you get info on your steps. You get the days of the week on the right, along with your month and your day. Now, you get the best of both worlds with this watch face because you got analog and you also get digital down at the bottom with your battery percentage. So it gives you everything that you need in one watch face, considering that it's basic, but it is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this super quick video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you're going to go download. And if you like the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.